Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to T-Man Photography Vlogs. So in today's video, I'm just going to be going over my equipment, and I'm going to be telling you guys what the future of this channel is and what I hope it to be. So sorry that I haven't posted in a while. I've just finished up school and summer's just started, so now I'm getting really back into it. I hope to post like 2 times a week, something like that, whatever I can handle. So let's go over some of my equipment. So right now I'm holding the Nikon D5500 with the basic kit lens. It's an 18 to 70 millimeter lens. It's just very basic, very simple. It's what I've had for a while. And then I also have 2 other lenses in this bag. The bag's a Low Pro BP5200. That's just what I carry all my stuff in. So I've got the Tamron 70 to 300 millimeter telephoto lens. I use it to take pictures of wildlife, birds, squirrels, things like that, things like trees and plants and things way above that, you know, it wouldn't be easy to take pictures of. And then my favorite lens is this Tamron 90mm macro lens. I really like it. It's what I use most often, but because I'm vlogging, I can't really use a 90mm to shoot a picture that's 3 feet away. So I'm just using the 18mm on the basic lens. And then I've also got a tripod. It's the ProMaster Scout SCH330. Wow, that was hard to get out. I use this. It's very basic. It feels really strong. It's metal. It's really nice. It goes to like 6 feet, something like that, so taller than me. It's really nice. I use it all the time. These things on the bottom, it helps to keep the tripod stable in water and on rocks and things like that, and they're all separate. It's really nice. I love it. And the thing slides off, so it's super easy to switch from tripod to not tripod. And then this is my bike. It's the Trek Dual Sport 2. It's what I use to get around in Texas, and some of the pictures that I'm posting right now are from North Carolina, so I haven't been using my bike that much, but I've had this thing since like December of 2017, and it's my favorite bike. You can see how much mud is on it. I probably have like 1,000 miles on it. I've had it since December of 2017. It's super nice. And then going into my bag, I've also got my, somewhere in here, my auto shutter release. So this thing is really nice. I got this from the Fort Worth Camera Shop in Fort Worth, Texas. I would go there if I were you. It's a very nice place. People are very helpful, things like that. It's super awesome. Probably the only store near me that I would go to. So this is just a Nikon remote sensor. And so what it's going to do is it's just going to take pictures from a distance away using Bluetooth or something like that, or let's just go with wireless, just call it that. I've also got an extra battery. I've got some cleaning supplies. These cleaning supplies were also purchased at the Fort Worth Camera Store, so it's a super awesome place. You guys should go there if you're near or can go. So I've got these cleaning supplies. I've also got a mini tripod in here, which is what I'm holding the camera on. That's about it. So for the future of this channel, I just want it to be something that I have fun with, something that I can share my adventures with you all, go around, take pictures, teach you all tips on how to take pictures and things like that, and just go around on my bike and have fun and do whatever I find fun to me and just show you all. So that's the goal for me, and it's not really, I don't know who it's for. It's kind of for me, but it's also for you all, because I want to teach you all, but I also want to just have fun and share my experience with you all. So whatever you think, just leave something down in the comments. I'll put the names and where I got them in the description below, but like the bike was Bicycles Plus in Snyder Plaza, and all this stuff was at the Fort Worth Camera Shop in Fort Worth, Texas, and all the lenses have been there. And then yeah, so it's just really nice. It's really super simple. It's nothing difficult. It's nothing fancy. I've been thinking about getting a GoPro as my new camera, but this thing's doing pretty good. I like it a lot. It's super nice, but it's also a camera to take pictures, not a camera to shoot video, so I don't know. I'll catch you all in the next video. I'm going to be taking you all around my hometown and taking you all through pictures and things like that, and I'll see you then.